Here's how to export video from CapCut to your gallery. Open the CapCut app and now let's create a new project. And I'm just uploading a random video from my phone to CapCut. Once you've imported a video, you can just go ahead and edit your video from here. Once your editing done, it's time to export the video to gallery, right? To do that, tap on this resolution icon and go ahead and select a resolution to export the video. And select a frame rate, and you can choose bit rate. And now tap on export. And now you have to watch ads before you can export a video. And finally, we can see the video successfully exported. Once exported, just go to your gallery and here you will find your exported video. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.